Here are 10 ways to make money online with Google Bard. Content creation. Bard can be used to create a variety of content, such as blog posts, articles, social media posts, and even books. You can sell this content directly to clients or monetize it through advertising or affiliate marketing. Translation. Bard can be used to translate text between over 200 languages. You can offer your translation services to clients or join a translation marketplace. Writing and editing. Bard can be used to write and edit a variety of types of content, such as emails, website copy, and marketing materials. You can offer your writing and editing services to clients or join a freelancing platform. Virtual assistant work. Bard can be used to perform a variety of tasks for clients, such as managing their email, scheduling appointments, and conducting research. You can offer your virtual assistant services to clients or join a virtual assistant marketplace. Tutoring and teaching. Bard can be used to tutor and teach students on a variety of subjects. You can offer your tutoring and teaching services to students directly or through an online platform. Code generation. Bard can be used to generate code for a variety of programming languages. You can sell your code generation services to clients or join a code generation marketplace. Product creation. Bard can be used to create a variety of products, such as ebooks, online courses, and software. You can sell your products directly to customers or through an online marketplace. Affiliate marketing. You can use Bard to create content that promotes affiliate products. When someone clicks on an affiliate link in your content and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission. Advertising. You can use Bard to create advertising campaigns for businesses and individuals. You can earn money by charging for your services or by receiving a commission on the sales that you generate. Consulting. You can use your expertise with Bard to consult with businesses and individuals on how to use Bard to achieve their goals. You can charge for your consulting services on an hourly or project basis. These are just a few ways to make money online with Google Bard. With creativity and effort, you can find many other ways to use Bard to generate income. Content creation. Choose a niche that you are knowledgeable about and passionate about. This will make it easier to create high-quality content and to market your content to others. Consider your own interests and skills when choosing a niche. Research your target audience and what kind of content they are interested in. This will help you to create content that is relevant and engaging to your audience. You can use social media, surveys, and other methods to research your target audience. Use Bard to create high-quality content that is informative, engaging, and relevant to your target audience. Bard can be used to generate a wide variety of content formats, such as blog posts, articles, social media posts, and even books. Create a profile on a translation marketplace or website. This will allow you to connect with potential clients and to find translation jobs. Be sure to include your skills, experience, and rates in your profile. Set your rates and availability. Be sure to set your rates at a level that is fair to you and to your clients. Also, be sure to set your availability so that you can meet the deadlines of your clients. Apply to translation jobs that match your skills and experience. When applying to translation jobs, be sure to highlight your skills and experience that are relevant to the job. Also, be sure to submit a well-written and error-free cover letter. Deliver high-quality translations on time and within budget. It is important to deliver high-quality translations to your clients. Create a portfolio of your writing and editing work. A portfolio is a collection of your best work that you can show to potential clients. Your portfolio should include a variety of writing and editing samples, such as blog posts, articles, website copy, and marketing materials. Pitch your services to potential clients. Once you have a portfolio, you can start pitching your services to potential clients. You can pitch your services by sending them an email, by connecting with them on LinkedIn, or by meeting with them in person. Join a freelancing platform to find writing and editing jobs. There are many different freelancing platforms where you can find writing and editing jobs. When choosing a freelancing platform, be sure to consider the fees that they charge and the types of jobs that they have available. Deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. It is important to deliver high-quality work to your clients on time and within budget.